What's up, everybody? Got a Western Star here. We don't have any buzzer going off for our low air warning, as well as the indicator lights work, but there's no audible clicking. So we're gonna find out what the cause of this is. And the first thing we'll do is pull this panel back. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like it for bolts here. These are T25's Torx. So let's go ahead and remove this. So we got this removed, and back in here is where the beeper is, right in there. So we'll go ahead and remove these two screws, which is Phillips heads, and see what's going on. Okay, so I got this unbolted here, but we'll just go ahead and disconnect these connectors here so I can pull this off completely. Alright, as soon as I got those connectors off, this just easily popped right out of there. And I'm gonna go ahead and say that this beeper is bad, only because they run off the same switch. So if our indicator lights are working, if our low air lights working, they would both use this for the beeper and the indicator audible sound. So I'm gonna say this part is most likely bad here. Okay, so I went ahead and got a new one here. They're not too bad. It's about 150 bucks Canadian. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and we'll see what happens. You got it plugged in there. Got the key on. Oh. Alright, well, we got the low ear buzzer. So I'll just air this thing up and then just make sure the indicators work, but that's pretty much it. Okay, truck's all aired up. Yep, that's it. So if you have your lights, indicator lights working, and no beeper or buzzers, this guy right here. That's the part number right there. Alright, figure guys.